and press the record button, we just start laughing for no reason. I'm not drink nothing yet. Today is Thanksgiving, people. I don't think I'm gonna do no whole heap of vlogging, but I'm gonna try my best, Zine, if just drop in some little footage, if I gonna see what I go on. I'm gonna see like food and them things the way I cook. I have some liquor up there, so when I go just start go on sippy and them things there. Couple of my niece and nephew them supposed to circle the ends too. When them circle, if them circle, I'm gonna see them. I'm gonna show you what I go on around and say, you know. In terms of like a pattern them thing and then circle back. Cookings, I think fish, oxtail, of course chicken, pork possibly. I don't know nothing about a turkey and them thing there, but maybe that there too. More go see what I go. A rice and peas this. So I think nothing special. Rice and peas like this so. It's an oxtail. Oh, just water boil it. see chicken there so. Not going for chicken yet. Maybe in the oven. Or maybe a bake. Maybe a bake on the grill. It's smoking as you can see. No, I just had show a vlog what I go on. Chicken there on grill and sit. Somebody was see some more chicken in there, where them chicken there? Where chicken in there?
No fry. You can't eat it.
Who?
To me mother.
Oh.
You can't eat it because I tell you turkey nice, you know, man, and you know, look like an old tough bastard. Me not love it. When me see American do turkey by the land, me not, I'm gonna go see the skin, the wing and it. Turn me off, man.
So no turkey now do. I just chicken and I tell them say no turkey now do.
What is?
I vlog man tell you so.
Oh.
No turkey. Just chicken and pork and oxtail.
Rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
Macaroni and thing.
Oh, okay. That come here. I wonder where the cheese in there so far. I see cheese on the table, but I don't know what.
Macaroni and cheese.
Oh, okay. See some of what go on, you see me? I feel like my head hurt me, so I get some food. I mean, I line up with the kind of full form breakfast this morning, mushroom, so I can't starfish and fried dumpling and pear. So my head feel like it gonna hurt me. I say, alright, we just get a little sugar bun here. With sugar bun and nice fret. Nice sugar bun plug in and link me up, you see me? Nice flaky. I don't know, look. Eerie. Sugar bun and banana. Yeah, I'm not care when I want to say I eat no banana or more I eat no banana. Jane? Alright. I want that me I use, so I think I have to go. But I might go lie down a little bit. Because my head feel away. I can't take the head out in business. So when everything sort out, or when food done, or when I go out there, so I get my plate, I'm gonna see what I go on. And I think the vlog here got too long. Quick, spicy, just Thanksgiving. And then nothing too, with it, you know, no whole heap of extra, Because I'm doing a quick prep, so all the Thanksgiving stay now. The Jamaican yard. First Thanksgiving, my foreign. I just wake up from a hearted nap. The nap if it stop me hearted. I don't know where I go, but I feel like most of the food done and them thing there. The turkey one of dizzy. And I feel turkey. My head not feel as bad. I think the headache gone. I feel this lingering sensation. It's like a linger right there. So like it I say, kinda there, but my boss. So make we see. I hope it doesn't come back though. I can't deal with that right now. I'll go to go see what I go on. If nothing vlog worthy out there, then we'll see it. When food nice, isn't it? I see how much damage was done. Oh, the damage is already. For a food, oh, since Bunny's Green, I did about 2 bills, approximately, since coming over here. And then all I food, I just mash it up. You feel like I that much. But we are gonna check it tomorrow, and then we see. Probably there at the end of the vlog, yeah. What me I go do now, I bust down some liquor, you understand? And drop all the post for IG, you know what I'm saying? I mean, post for your IG, but that's something that nothing to do with food. I go some whoop tea, right? When I go some whoop tea, go in and make a camera roll and I say, yo, what we are find? I drop that one here, or I drop that one here. My year for show off, that's all millions though. But that I type my brother. Easy. 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 I will go so and post that. Coof. I upload the next picture. So I put on the caption. It reads, pork and fish escaped, but all others have been pronounced dead. No motive established for the killing of this meal. I'm done. That's it. That's what I'm saying. I will just go for boom now. I will just post it. No bueno.